A massive happy 70th birthday to our wonderful NHS. I'm celebrating it today with my little girl Belle, who had some brilliant care from the wonderful midwives in Heath Hospital in Cardiff. And we've all got brilliant stories to tell about our National Health Service. But we want to make sure that there are brilliant stories to tell for all of our future generations in terms of the care that they'll receive in the future. And that does mean that the way in which we do business in the NHS will have to change. We need to be focusing far less on it being a national illness service, focused on medicine and treatment, and far more on how do we spend our resources to keep people well in the first place. That means tackling things like air pollution, which kill huge numbers of people every year. It means focusing on relationships and communities and making sure that people can have those day-to-day interactions to tackle loneliness and isolation. It means focusing on things which promote mental good health and well-being. It means access to green space. All of these things are outside of our traditional NHS, but we need to be focusing on them far more if we're going to have a sustainable health and care system into the future. I want all of our future generations, like my little girl Belle, to be able to have the same access to the National Health Service that I've had in the past, but also to make sure that they need less access because we're keeping them well in the first place.